Okay, so the vacuum was making some strange sounds earlier, and I thought I'd open it up to see what was going on. Look at this. Look at this. It's probably been 2 weeks since I last opened her up to clean. Probably for my kids. So it's not as maintenance free as one may think. Probably would need to get some scissors, cut through this hair that has found its way inside the roller. There you go. And you probably are asking yourself, when do I actually do this? How often? In my experience, probably every week would be alright. That's if you've been making
Error
sure.
3. Try moving the vacuum to a different place.
Okay. That's if you've done the diligence and made sure that there's nothing that could get stuck. As you can see, even if we've done that, we've moved all the stuff up, things still find themselves into the roller. It's basically stuff like this. Hair, tie, you even get a piece of paper here, especially if you have kids, you're gonna get this. Okay. And that's it. And that's it. So it's not as hard, but for those having a busy lifestyle, still have to do this once in a while. So owning a robot vacuum cleaner does not mean that you're not going to do any cleaning. That is simply not true. Okay? To the credit of Roborock, it is easy to actually do this. Okay? I could imagine the effort that was made to have a toolless way of opening this portion up. They could have made it harder. Okay, and while we're at it, let's also check the dustbin. Usually this gets full after 3 weeks.
Dustbin is removed.
Yes,
Please clean the filter.
Okay. See, here's another thing stuck inside. So this is the most common things that you're going to encounter. Open it up here. An eraser. See? That's probably 2-3 weeks worth. It's already compacted itself. Dust fit's also dirty. So just gonna get a trash can. Okay. Move it in here. You can see it's all piled up. So, if you're asking yourself if this thing really cleans, that's the answer right there. That is probably 2-3 weeks worth. Okay. And just put her back. It's the other way. Okay.
Dustbin installed. Dustbin removed. Dustbin installed. Dustbin removed.
Eraser.
Dustbin installed. Dustbin removed.
Okay.
Dustbin installed.
There you go.
Resuming the cleanup.